Welcome to day number 61. Today we talk about Apindi Apiwiye Apiny piny, Apis, and Apiyo. I hope you enjoyed this video and please consider subscribing to the channel. Apindi. Apindi is a forest tree species. It's a tree that grows in the forest, and in a sentence you can say Yien mar apindi odongo ma rabora. Yien mar apindi odongo ma rabora. The forest tree has grown very, very tall. Rabora means tall. Apiwiye. Apiwiye is the scum that appears on top of gravy, like when you're boiling meat or you're boiling some milk. There is some scum that appears on top. That is called apiwiye. In a sentence, you will say, Apiwiye ma nitiere e ring'o ni nyaka puk oko. Apiwiye ma nitiere e ring'o ni nyaka puk oko. So that means the scum has to be drained out. The third one is Apis. Apis. Apis is the office, or your office is just shortened as Apis. If you look at it very carefully, you can see that they just took the rhyming of the office and said Apis. Apis. Office. Ayao dot mar Apis sa ariyo okinyi. I opened the office door at 8 a.m. Ayao dot mar Apis sa ariyo okinyi. And then the fourth word is apiny piny. Apiny piny. Apiny piny is a traitor or an underground deal. For example, odhi ne jatich wadgi apiny piny ma oriembe e tich. Again, odhi ne jatich wadgi apiny piny ma oriembe e tich. That means he used some underground tactics, and so his colleague was fired from their job. And the last word of the day is Apiyo. Apiyo. Apiyo is the first female of twins, and a boy is called Apiyo. So in a sentence you can say Apiyo en nyamin Apiyo. Apiyo is Apiyo's sister. And that marks the end of the 5 Luo words a day. Please consider subscribing, and you can also tell your friend about this. And I will see you tomorrow for the next day's video. We have these videos every day. Oriti, goodbye.